So I now have another guest at home. Some people are dog people, other people are cat people. Well, this house now is a rabbit and bird house. This guy is just here as a little short-term host for the Chinese New Year holiday. Funny how usually she's not really scared of dogs or cats, but she's really scared of him. Maybe the big ears are impressive. I'll try to dig out some videos of my bird and other pets so you guys can see the different attitudes she has with different ones of them. This is an interesting thing to do when you like pets, but you cannot have one at home full time, or you just want to see if you really like it or not, is to keep other people's pets over the holidays and just for short term. And I'm sure that near your city there is such group of people who take care of each other's pets. Okay, time to take all these people back in the cage. Okay, back in. Now they will be sharing the space for a few days because I have to be very honest that I will go myself on holiday. And a friend will be taking care of them too most of the time, but this rabbit will be staying here. This rabbit is called Paco. Alright. This is all for today. Bye bye.